I believe that you may agree with me that for any business to survive, it needs income, which actually comes from the customers. And no matter the type of product or service that you're offering, customer retention is a very important aspect of any successful business. Some companies may actually survive by selling to only one-off purchasing customers, but owners of businesses that grow and thrive tend to focus more on overall customer satisfaction, because they believe that if the customer is satisfied, the customer will come to purchase more, and that will enable the business to grow. But what are the things that will enable you to achieve customer satisfaction? I welcome you to Talent and Skills Hub. My name is Dr. Fred Opala, and in this video, I will share with you 12 ways to improve your customer satisfaction. But before we go into that, why is customer satisfaction important? Whether your business focuses on promoting your product or your services to other businesses, which we call B2B, or selling directly to consumers or to customers, which we call B2C, you are actually dealing with humans. Therefore, taking more human approach to customer experience is the key. To do so, you will need to determine how to build functioning and long-term relationship that will benefit both sides, and also determine how to build customer loyalty. According to a research, more than 80% of satisfied customers will do business again with a company if they feel that they had good experience or positive experience with that company. On the other hand, more than 95% of unsatisfied customers would definitely take action if they feel that they had negative experience with a business. And taking action may include sharing their concerns with others, whether that involves complaining to friends or sharing their feedback online, or simply repeating the negative experience they had with the company with anyone that actually mentioned the company. However, to delight your customers and avoid negative reviews and frustrations in order to expand and grow your business, you will need to pay attention to these customer satisfaction ideas that I'm going to share with you and also work on them. Therefore, by following the tips that I'm going to share with you on how to improve your customer satisfaction, you will be able to achieve greater success in your business. So, what are those 12 ideas or 12 ways to improve your customer satisfaction? Number one is provide support across multiple channels. In today's technology-heavy world, your customers want to be able to communicate with your team members in multiple ways. Some will want to call on the phone and speak to a customer representative directly, while others will simply want to go on social media to ask questions and have a problem resolved. Therefore, make sure that your company has customer support representative available to respond to inquiries through various social media platforms, web form submissions, emails, and phone calls to provide best possible experience for each individual customer. You may be interested to know that some companies use artificial intelligence to respond to inquiries initially and filter those inquiries to other channels where real human will be able to attend to them. Number two, focus on employee satisfaction. When your employees are satisfied and happy in their roles, these feelings tend to translate to the service they provide to customers. It is important to make employee loyalty and satisfaction a priority in your business to maintain positive working atmosphere for employees. You can do so by simply implementing employee recognition or reward program, or simply by expressing your appreciation in a more personalized way. Number three, focus on company's culture. Establish positive company culture because it goes a long way towards making your employees happy, and the impact on customers' experience is massive. One thing about having a healthy work environment is that it attracts better talent to your company. Then the talent will facilitate the ideas and innovation that will satisfy your customers and grow your business. When customers interact with employees or company representatives that value the company's culture, the customers tend to feel the same satisfaction too. Number four, take ownership. Each employee who is responsible for communicating with customers must be able to take ownership of a problem the customer may be experiencing and find a way to resolve it. When your customer support representative can resolve problems for customers, they tend to have more pride in their work. On the other hand, customers can be satisfied with the outcome without being transferred to talk to multiple lines of support or being transferred from one department to the other. Number 5, ask for customer feedback. Customer satisfaction surveys are essential for improving satisfaction rates. If you want to know whether your clients are happy with the service that they are getting from your company, you need to find a way to measure customer satisfaction. A standard survey that goes to every client that purchases a product or service will give you insight about what people like and dislike about their experience. You can also take the response and use them to implement a plan to improve customer satisfaction rates. By using the information on how the customer feels about your service to change your operation, you will be able to directly meet your customers' needs and may notice some higher level of satisfaction thereafter. Number 6, look at your company's review. If you are worried about negative reviews, you may avoid searching for your company's name on Google and Yelp. However, you have to know what people are saying about your company and their experiences with your employees. If you are able to provide great service to them, it can result in positive reviews, while negative reviews can impact your company's overall online rating. Therefore, check reviews regularly and respond to any unhappy customers if you have any. Number 7, implement a customer support training program. To provide the highest level of customer support, it is essential to ensure that your customer service representatives are trained to give streamlined positive support to your clients or customers. A customer support training program will ensure that those who serve as the face of your company are providing high levels of customer support, especially when they understand what is expected of them. Number 8, personalize your responses. A successful customer satisfaction program is personalized and tailored to each individual customer. Customers should feel that they are the only one that matters at the moment. Therefore, using personal information such as their names and other details can make a big difference. Number 9, exceed expectations. Your customers want to know exactly what to expect in terms of waiting times, response time, and the interaction with your employees. It is frustrating for customers to feel like they are in limbo, unsure of what is going on, when they might receive a response, or when your representative or customer support representative will solve their problems. Therefore, remove all those uncertainties by providing a clear expectations for customers, and then try to exceed those expectations in your responses. Number 10, reward your loyal customers. Reward your loyal customers with something that they might not expect to receive, such as free products or discount codes. Receiving a coupon, for example, by email or other forms of communication can actually inspire a customer to purchase something that they have been considering purchasing from your company. But even if they don't use it, the customer will appreciate the gesture and more likely to come back to your business to purchase something in the future. Number 11, compare your customer service with your competitors. To see where you could improve in your customer satisfaction, benchmark your customer service against that of your competitors. If a highly successful competitor is doing something that you are not doing, please consider giving it a try. Or if you see on the social media about what a competitor is lacking on area of customer service, please be committed to avoid making the same mistake. Number 12, prioritize honesty in your marketing. Products that do not meet the standards set in your marketing or product information are a major source of customer dissatisfaction and abandonment. Worse yet, customers who break ties with you over false advertising might leave all kinds of negative customer feedback on your review pages, therefore resulting to fewer future customers. To avoid this problem, don't overpromise anything in your product marketing material. Instead, Focus on what you think are your product actual best features and what your customer satisfaction surveys indicated to be your strength. In summary, I believe that by implementing the ideas shared in this video, you are definitely going to improve your customer satisfaction, which will result in more businesses and more revenue generation. Please remember to like the video if you find it helpful, and also you can comment or tell us what you think about the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please remember to do so in order to be receiving other videos that we'll be publishing on the channel on business advice, practical application of business theories, as well as other personal development topics. Thank you and see you next time.